the entire history of YouTube's design. This is YouTube as a fetus. 20 years and 5 billion videos later, this is YouTube all grown up. So, how did we get here? Charles Darwin would be intrigued by YouTube's design history because it's a lot like animal evolution. The company designs and tests a lot of features. Those that work, survive. Those that do not work, die. This video is not about the algorithm. It's about how YouTube's design has evolved based on humans' video watching behavior. As a product designer, I'm confused. Why did the design change so many times? And more importantly, how do these design changes impact the way we currently consume content? I'll show you the entire design history using the evolution of an elephant. Why elephant? Well,
alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. Cool thing about these guys is that they have really long trunks, and that's cool.
Stage 1. It all began with 3 dudes from PayPal, Steve, Chad, and Javed. It was Valentine's Day, but for these 3 developers, it was just another Monday. Oi, we should build a video dating website. Like, hot or not, but video. Good idea. Interesting. Okay, let's do it today. Who's busy? That's what I thought. Let's do it, boys. On Valentine's Day in 2005, they launched YouTube, which had the slogan, "Tune in, hook up." And nobody cares. But people are uploading random videos for fun. Cool. Dating site? Digital video repository? Oh, there's now a page called My Subscriptions. You can rate videos out of 5 stars, like Yelp. There's a featured video section. The slogan is now broadcast yourself. YouTube soon realized that humans wanted to do human things. Interaction! So they made this thing called video response. Now you can respond to a video with a video of your own. The results? Interaction! And low click-through rate. No one cares about response to my old Rubik's Cube video. Video response? This guy started to take a photo of himself every day for 6 years. This dude is showing the evolution of dance. Ryan Higa taught people how to become a ninja. And Charlie is biting a boy's finger.
Oh, Charlie! Ah!
Stage 2. At this time, people are suing YouTube for copyright. And YouTube is getting tired of being sued. Good news, Big Daddy takes over. Leave now. Ooh, big guy. Hurry, quick. Let's get out of here. You are safe, my child.
Today we have some exciting news for you. We've been acquired by Google.
Look how happy they are.
What does it mean for the user community?
Get your hand off me. The king of search, the king of video have gotten together. We're gonna have it our way. Salt and pepper.
Google acquired YouTube in 2006, and we see some UI changes. For example, powered by Google. Remember the star rating system? Well, people started to ignore it. 5-star rating? Like and dislike were introduced. This lizard cyborg is doing it, so why not?
I'm gonna have to go with no on that. I am not a lizard.
Also, seems like people already know how to use like and dislike. This is known as Jacob's Law. Users prefer your site to work the same way as all the other sites they already know. Oh look, Marcus Brownlee began to review stuff. This Swedish guy started to play video games. These 2 guys joined and called themselves Smosh. And these 2 other guys began to have good mythical mornings. Stage 3. Whoa. Why did the layout change so much? I'm not used to this. In 2010, YouTube redesigned its homepage with a grid layout to prioritize subscriptions. This also gave space to video recommendations and playlists. Mind you, this is 2010, when algorithms weren't really a thing. I mean, some of it prioritized clicks, introducing clickbait, so that didn't work. Most of these recommendations were manually coded. One more question. What day is it?
It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday.
A new sidebar made subscriptions more accessible, shifting focus toward creators rather than viral videos. So, at this point, you might be wondering, why did YouTube's design change so much? And how did they know which design to choose? Well, YouTube relies heavily on A/B testing. You show users 2 versions of a feature and keep the one that works better. At this point, with the help of Big Daddy, they do not lack data. so they went to town with A/B tests. It's like one huge science fair. Good design is where you start with a hypothesis, gather data, and make a decision. We love A/B tests. Actually, you're in one right now. For this video, I wanted to test 3 thumbnails, and you just gave me a data point. Thanks. So, with A/B tests, they determined what works, what doesn't. What works, what doesn't. At this time, this Korean song united the world. People really wanted to know what the flock says. This boy is on a mission to become the most subscribed channel in the world. And Stage 4. Around this time, YouTube had one of their biggest rebrands. The glow-up was real. Dark mode was introduced, improving user experience and 3 AM binge-watching sessions. Okay, pause. Something doesn't look right with this logo. We need a smaller version, especially for our mobile users. How about this? Old logo, new logo. YouTube moved its red play button from inside the word to the left, making it a standalone icon for the first time. Now this guy can fit here, here, and here. YouTube also adopted Big Daddy's material design system, bringing a cleaner and more mobile-friendly UI design. Good news! People are happy with these changes. YouTube is now way more accessible. More people are using it in all situations. Oh, what's that? Katy Perry likes to ride dark horses. This Spanish song blew up. And the Swedish guy from earlier is having a subscriber battle with India. Stage 5. Bad news. People now have the attention span of a carrot. Also, our new neighbor over here is taking up space. We have to do something. Think. Okay. Introducing shorts. Uh-oh. People now have the attention span of half a carrot, especially kids. In 2021, YouTube realized a big problem. Oh, people are mass disliking videos, creators are sad, it's bad for business? No biggie. Let's remove the dislike button.
Removing the dislike count on all videos across this platform.
I don't think that's a good move.
We're going to talk about why this only hurts YouTube viewers.
Spicy moves, YouTube. Spicy moves. But that doesn't stop this guy from playing Squid Game in real life. Where is YouTube now? Along with each AI-driven, venture-backed, cloud-based startup being birthed as we speak, YouTube launches a new feature, also AI. AI-powered recommendations, AI chatbots. The homepage started curating videos based on deep learning algorithms, making content discovery hyper-personalized. At this point, YouTube is collecting a lot of data. And recently, they found that there are 2 types of viewers, people who watch on the phone and people who watch on TV. Of course, we got everyone in between, but these 2 groups are growing quite quickly, which is why we see designs make space for shorts and long videos. And the neighbors are getting a bit angsty now. Bad news, human attention span shrunk even more. Doom scrolling is getting worse. I wonder why. But let's pause and think. Did our consumption habits influence YouTube's design? Or did YouTube's design impact our habits? It's like a chicken and an egg. Which came first? YouTube started with a simple mission, but then it grew big and got complicated. Is this the inevitable fate of all startups and companies? So we see how YouTube changes its designs really quickly, right? There's a pro and a con. YouTube has this fast iteration and experimentation mindset so that it can adapt to community's feedback instantly. But people get frustrated with the change. Why can't we stick with one quality thing that works? Which era of YouTube do you wish to go back and why? And how will YouTube evolve from now?